Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoyed 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we?
Athens. The port of Athens.
Hot.
I am sometimes, yeah. Was last night smoking.
Was last night you were smoking?
Yeah.
Can't really see it on the video, but there's loads of container ships sitting out there waiting to come in.
You might actually tell go on there.
Yeah, it does actually. There's us, first thing in the morning, having had our breakfast.
I think it's second thing in the morning for the breakfast.
Yeah, we've had breakfast.
So,
I had porridge to start with, and then I had corned beef, and then I had,
a coffee and orange juice.
I had coffee and orange juice and water.
This one, a coffee, water and orange juice. I had a small bowl of cornflakes with milk up. Pancake, bacon pancake, small one. 2 pieces of bacon, and I had a 2 egg omelette, but I didn't eat all of it, so I had about 1.5.
You're trying to justify it.
Well, I could just say I don't know, I didn't.
We're on holiday. We'll worry about it when we get home.
Yeah, worry about driving our buddies home.
We haven't got long left.
We've both been extremely tired today. Yeah, we had another night last night.
I know, it's strange.
Shattered. Since the Lord rest, tired you feel?
But
Pardon me.
we're going to go and have a coffee, aren't we?
Oh yeah, right, help us wake up.
Yeah, coffee's always helped us wake up. So we're going to have a coffee.
It's not good.
No, I didn't think it
I
was.
drank half of it.
No. Okay,
What's
so
the change to be?
we're going to have a coffee downstairs and see what the day gives us. So, see you soon. This is a quick stop-off. I'm having an iced strawberry daiquiri, like some whiskey on the rocks. And we're at the pool bar. Everybody's still out and about?
Sail away in a minute. It's 5:30.
Yeah. And where are we sailing away from?
Athens.
Yeah.
Athens port. I think it's called Piraeus. I don't pronounce it. No one's told me so I don't have to pronounce it.
Okay, so we're about to start our sail away. It's been a nice day. We've had a very pleasant day, Mike and I. We haven't tried to get off again. If you haven't already guessed, we don't do cities. But it's been lovely and relaxing, just chilling on deck. Now we're about to sail away. a dock directly in front of us, so we pushed out sideways so we can avoid the wall. Pilots there. We're reversing. Well, we are, because that's the blunt end. If I spin round, that's the pointy end. Look at all the ships in the distance waiting to come in. Till we see you next time. Bye bye. This ship does not appear to be slowing down. I think it's hoping we're out this way by the time he needs to come this way. Any captain that navigates around these waters has to be pretty confident, I should imagine, with the amount of ships that are here. Gosh. It's the ferry. Everybody's waving. Oh, we even got a hoot. Hi guys, just wanted to say thanks for joining us today. I hope you had a great time. See you in the morning. Good night.